All right, this is a $7,000 setup and I can't even keep it clean. Now, okay, is it $7,000? I don't know. Might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less. But not to say that I'm a major slob or anything, but I'm always just so, come and go, and it's hard to keep things tidy how I like on a daily basis. From my setup to my IKEA shelves that are literally full of stuff, I've really made a cozy little spot for myself in my tiny little living room. And as you can see, some things have changed and some things have stayed the same, but I've been getting into new hobbies lately, new things to collect, and I've been working on a lot of dope projects as well. So always busy, and sometimes it's a little hard to keep things clean. Now, the one thing I really haven't made a priority to do is create for myself. I've spent so much time creating content for others or creating content for my businesses so I can continue my lifestyle, but I guess this is a video of me doing just that, creating for myself, and maybe for some of the few out there that still want to see what I'm into or just want to draw some inspiration from my space and the things I create here. Any reason is totally okay. So with all the craziness life has brought my way, all the money lost, the good and the bad times, years later, I'm still here making videos that I enjoy, and hopefully a few of you guys out there enjoy them as well. I'm gonna go all in on YouTube, creating, talking about the things I love, and not taking myself too seriously. I started this channel to document my life, but also to talk about the things I enjoy and share information about products that I use with people that are like-minded. But I feel as time has gone, I've picked up a lot of inspiration on how I want to document those things. Sometimes I look back at that first video I made back in 2017 and I think about how insanely cringe it is. But when I look back, it also makes me feel really proud of how far I've gone, considering all the hard things that life has thrown at me. If it's taught me one thing, it's to not give up, always continue chipping away. Though my own personal progress has been kind of slow, it has not stopped, and I think that's important. And whatever you do or want to do, start and don't give up, even if life throws major curveballs at you. Even if you have to pick up 6 months down the line, and even if it takes 10 years, and when you finally succeed, I can only imagine it to be the best feeling ever. And if you never find success, at least know that you never gave up and you tried, because most people try and quit, and I think that says a lot.